YouTube, about to make another video. Check this out, right? Before I record this video, I don't know, I got like this. But before I start that video, I was riding yesterday and it's dirty. Like it's real dirty. Like it's dirty. Hey. So I'm gonna clean it up before we start this video. See you guys. Damn, YouTube, we back. Oh, she cleaned up, baby. Yeah, she real. Yeah, it's ready to go, baby. Yeah. I was trying to wait to see if I can come up with a way to have turn signals. I did not know that it's illegal to not have turn signals on your sport bike or motorcycle. I didn't know that was illegal. So I had to, pull some thumbnails and figure out how am I gonna get turn signals on this bike. I like the way this looked. Like I didn't want to go back to the OEM mirrors. I like these Steath mirrors and the way the front of the bike looked. It looks pretty aggressive to me, if you ask. So since I had to get mirrors since I had to get turn signals, I did not know how I was gonna mount turn signals on the bike. I could try to figure out, like, maybe I can go to Amazon and get one of those little LED lights to put here, and then when I turn, it'll light up. But I bought two of them. They look horrible because you can actually see the light itself. And when I hit the turn signal on the front of the bike, especially at night, it just looks like trash. And at the time, I was trying to order some turn signals off Revzilla, and my results was just not happening. It wasn't helping me. So I just got frustrated, and I said, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and hit these guys up. So if you don't know who this company is, they make turn signals for this bike. I've seen a couple of pictures of this online, and I think they look pretty okay. But I was trying to avoid spending this amount of money for some turn signals. So it says here, Kawi 2021-2022, which we have a 22. This is the UPC number if you need it. And let's take a look at how this looks. Now, since I purchased these turn signals, or before I purchased these turn signals, I'm sorry, I didn't see anywhere on here on YouTube where they show you how to fully install these turn signals. So we're gonna be doing this for the very first time. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but let's install these. All I know so far is that these turn signals end up like right in this general area. After that, I don't know anything else. They look pretty stealth. They look pretty cool. So I have the integrated tail light with the turn signals, and then now I have the front turn signals. And I was let off with a warning, if you catch my drift. But you have to have turn signals on your bike. So if you're gonna go without mirrors, you have to have turn signals. So I ended up going with these. So let's install these today, show you guys how to do it. If you own this bike, these are pretty easy to install. I just think that these are pricey. I've been on the pricey side for these little pieces of material. But I guess that's not what costs. What costs is actually putting it together and engineering the design of. Let's install these. So basically all I know so far is that you have to take off this panel. To take this panel off, there's one here and this one here, and it's gonna give you access to the inside. That little clip piece connects to this one and it holds the mirror in place. All right, so once you get the 1, 2, 3 off, this thing kind of just slides out of there like that, and then it exposes all of this. My turn signal is inside of this boot right here. It's literally right here. That one, the one where my thumb is. So plugs into that, and I believe it turns this way. Let me take it off. Let me show you what I mean. I think this is a pretty slick design, like the way this works. So basically, if you look, this has to go right over that hole right there. Right? And then this sits like this. Oh, it sits on the edge like that. I mean, that looks pretty cool for what, from what it is, you know? So yeah, and then obviously this part, this lanyard part, this part clips in to there. Wow, that's very simple. I thought it was gonna be a little bit tougher than that, but I mean, if it's that easy, whatever. Let me just knock it out real quick. So I'm gonna cook this up. I put this back, same setup. But what I did not realize, well, you can't really see the wires. But if you look from this angle right here, you can. And I was kind of confused. I thought this part went underneath this, but there's no way. It has to be on the outside, which I mean, I understand. I don't mind it. It looks pretty. It still looks stealth. It still can't really tell. But this is how it looks. I think there's a little gap. Well, I guess over time it'll close, but whatever. It looks nice. You can barely tell that they're there. It looks really nice. All right, let's test to see if it works. Let me grab my keys really quick. All right, so let's turn to the left, and it works. Yeah, that's not bad. So now I got turn signals. What you do to one side, you do to the other, and that looks pretty stealth to me. I like the way it looks. Now that we got this side panel cover taken off, I got a question. Like everybody I ask, they seem to have an attitude and they don't really tell me exactly what the correct answer is, or don't want to tell me, I guess. What is the charcoal canister for? Like, leave a comment in the description or leave a comment below. Tell me, what is the purpose of this charcoal canister? I looked it up on cars. I get it for cars. I think it's the same thing as bikes, but I would like to take this piece of material out because I think it's massive and it's kind of in the way. I want to do a little bit of weight reduction on the bike too, but what is this for? Like, what purpose does it serve? Does it unburn fuel into here and it's used later? Or is it okay to just take this out and not have to sweat it? Like, help me out, guys. All right, so now that we got that side on, and we also have this side on, if I hit the hazards, which is right there, they both should be flashing, which they are. So yeah, man, it's very simple, very easy install. I thought it was gonna be a little bit tougher, but it's very easy. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching this. What is this? This front turn signal from New Rage Cycles. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.